Hi everyone, welcome back to Ameya Beauty. Today's video, I'll be taking you through this beautiful dark skin makeup tutorial from start to finish. First things first, we always start with a clean canvas, and I'm cleaning using the micellar water to remove any dirt or leftover makeup, because no matter how good your products are, trust me, your makeup will always look better on a clean skin. Today I'm also trying out a few new products, so I'm really excited to see how they perform. If you like a more detailed breakdown of my skin prep routine, then make sure you watch our very first video after this one. I take you through every step to help your makeup last all day long. Now let's move on to foundation. For today's look, I'm using the Blossom Veil foundation in Nutmeg, and honestly guys, it matches our skin beautifully. It's a soft matte foundation that gives really nice coverage while still looking like skin. Once we were happy with the foundation, we set it lightly using the Yglam Fresh Seal Setting Spray. This helps melt the foundation into the skin and gives us a longer lasting base before moving on to the next steps. Now it's time to add some dimension back into the face. I'm using the Ameya Beauty Cream Blush Palette to contour the cheeks and nose. We recently got our hands on this palette, guys, and I have to say the pigmentation is amazing. A little goes a long way, as you can see, and it blends so effortlessly. For blush, I'm using the same palette. One thing I love doing on deeper skin tones is using rich red blushes. They melt beautifully into melanin skin and give the face a healthy radiant flush without looking too bright or overpowering. Now let's brighten the face. I'm applying the Yanga Beauty Concealer in shade 5 under the eyes, the forehead, chin, and the bridge of the nose before blending everything out. So you have to take your time when blending out your concealer. A well blended concealer makes such a huge difference in the overall finish of your makeup. I want you to know that. Once everything is now blended, I'm going back with my contour and blush. This is a step I never skip, guys, because concealer can sometimes cover those colors. So reapplying them helps everything blend together beautifully, so there are no harsh lines or obvious demarcations. Now it's time to set everything in place. So I still wanted a bright under eye without making it look grey or ashy. So I'm using a combination of the Nuban setting powder and the peach pie powder, that's setting powder from Huda Beauty. After that, I lightly set the under eye again using a compact powder, and everywhere else we concealed and highlighted. This locks everything in place and gives an even smoother finish. For the rest of the face, I'm using the Jade Wrist powder in Java together with my V Beauty powder palette. Notice how we're setting the makeup without taking away the richness of our beautiful melanin skin. That's always the goal, guys. Now we're bringing warmth and definition back into the face. I'm setting the contour using the Yglam Bronzy palette. Then we set the blush with our Ameya Beauty Volume 2 blush palette. So these steps bring life back into the complexion and stops the face from looking flat after powdering the face. Once we're done with that, I go again with the Yglam Fresh Seal Setting Spray. So layering your setting spray throughout the makeup process helps the makeup melt together beautifully instead of looking powdery. Now it's time for my favorite part, the eyes. Before starting the eyes, I went ahead to set the brows in place and also baked the face, so any fallout we'll be able to dust it out. For today's eye look, I wanted a beautiful brown smoky eye with just a pop of color. And what other eyeshadow palette to use than the Meet the Brown from Ameya Beauty. It has all the gorgeous shades you can think of, I mean brown shades. It was just the perfect one for me to use. The Yglam pigment in Aura was perfect for this because it has just the right amount of sparkle while still keeping the look elegant. I didn't want the eyes to overpower the makeup. I just wanted that little pop that catches the light beautifully. Once the eyes were complete, we finished the rest of the makeup, applied our lashes, lined the lips, and added our final finishing touches. Finally, we sealed everything with our finishing spray to make sure this makeup stays flawless for hours. And here's our finished look, guys. I absolutely love how this makeup came together. The skin looks flawless, the under eye is bright without looking ashy or yellow, and the eyes just add the right amount of glamour. So what do you think of the final look, guys? I'd love to really hear your thoughts in the comment below. Also, let me know what makeup tutorial you'd like to see next because I read every single comment. If you enjoyed this video and found it very helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with someone who's learning makeup. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.